Hello beautiful people, thank you for watching my video. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. Thank you, God bless you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you very much. So this video, so we no need to go outside before we do our exercise. So I just want to do small exercise for you to see. Thank you. Join me, join. Yeah, let's start. Manila. Yeah. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are eating pawpaw.
I take pawpaw. That's delicious one. Take.
This pawpaw
is so delicious.
Yeah, Philip, jump. Yeah, dance. Shake your body. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thank you. Stay blessed. Wọ́n jókòó lé lórí báyìí náà. Bro, I want to rest my body. I'm resting my spinal cord. So I'll do this one. As I'm doing this, my spinal cord is resting. We don't need to go outside before we do our exercise. So, thank you. Bye.